If you want to propagate lemon tree, you must follow this technique. First, you need to select healthy, mature lemon branch. Using a sharp knife, make a ring-shaped cut around the branch. Remove 1 to 2 inches of bark. Now take an onion and apply it to the branch. Now take a cotton cloth. And wrap it tightly around the branch. Its great water holding capacity helps roots grow. Pour water on the cloth and soak it completely. Now take a black polythene. Then wrap the cloth tightly with the polythene and secure it with a zip tie. After 1 month, I'm opened. Look, friends, new roots have grown. Once the roots, well developed, carefully separate the branch from the mother plant. Now I will plant this tree in a pot. Then water the new plant thoroughly. After 1 year, the new tree will be ready to bear fruits.